Hey everybody, today we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. In a large bowl, whisk in half a cup or 100 grams of white sugar, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of brown sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup or 113 grams of butter, melted butter. Whisk them until a paste has formed. I've forgotten to add in the salt, so I'm adding them now. Now, whisk in 1 egg and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, beating them until ribbons fall off the whisk. Next, sift in 1 1/4 cups or 160 grams of all-purpose flour and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then, fold the mixture with a spatula until just incorporated. Do not overmix. Fold in 4 ounces or 113 grams of dark chocolate and another 4 ounces or 113 grams of milk chocolate. Here I am using chocolate bars that I cut up into small pieces. If you prefer, you can also use chocolate chips. Cover the dough with cling wrap and chill the dough in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. For a more intense toffee-like flavor and deeper color, you could chill the dough overnight. Now, you could shape them into little balls or scoop with a small ice cream scoop and bake them at a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the edges have started to barely brown. Let them cool completely. Last but not least,
enjoy!